Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. I'm your instructor Dali from Koyotech, and our previous exploration was the ordered and the unordered lists. We will take right now this concept a step further by learning how to nest lists inside each other. Before we start this video guys, don't forget to like, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, what are we waiting for? Let's go! So we've learned how to nest lists within an ordered list, creating an indented list, but we can go even further by nesting a list inside another list. So imagine the first unordered list starting here and ending here. Now within that same list we can have another unordered list like this. So this marks the end of the first list and the beginning of the second list. When this code is viewed on a website, you'll see two lists. The first list includes everything in this section. Within the first list, there is a separate list nested under this bullet point. So it's quite simple. Inside the list item, you can have another list. The starting list item is here, and the ending list item is down here within the list item. So instead of a single line of text, you have embedded an entire unordered list. First, we write the text for the first list, and then we embed our unordered list. So this is called a nested list. Indentation becomes crucial in this situation because this code will be a jumbled mess, an enigma to everyone attempting to comprehend it. Alright, so let's move on to the exercise. So please download the nesting and indentation folder through the link in the description and open it in VS Code, just like you did before. So our goal for this challenge is to create a complex nested list. So in the previous lesson, we've learned how to make simple lists, both unordered list and ordered list. So creating a simple list with a few items is straightforward. However, this challenge requires you to create something much more intricate. So let's walk through it together. First, we have an unordered list with three items A, B, and C. Under item B, we have an order list with three items. So under the second item of the order list, we have another unordered list. And inside the third item, we have another order list. So this is a bit tricky. So watch this part of the video to see the code that creates this structure. So the closing tag doesn't go after the embedded list. Instead, it goes at the end of the nested list. So once we are done nesting, we close the unordered list. So study this page to see how I created this list using the code. Then apply this knowledge to the coding exercise. Think about it, guys. Take your time, and I believe you can do it. Alright, so pause the video now and give the coding exercise a try. Alright, how was it, guys? Alright, so solving challenges, feeling lost or frustrated, and even doubting yourself are all part of the learning process. But when you finally succeed, it will be an incredible feeling. The first step is to create main unordered list with the three items A, B, and C. So this is a simple task that involves creating a UL tag and adding three LI tags with their respective text. Next, we embed an order list within the B list item. So this ordered list contains three items, B1, B2, B3. So to create this nested list, we add an OL tag within the LI tag for the B item. Within the B2 list item, we embed another unordered list containing two items, B2B and B2C, business to business and business to client. Actually, this is a business thing. All right. So under B2A, we add an unordered list with two items, B2A and B2B. So this nested list is added within the LI tag for the item A. So finally, we add an order list with two items, B31, B31, B31 and B32 within the li tag for the B3 item. So this completes the nesting structure. Alright, so there is something else. Visual Studio Code actually automatically indent code, making it easier to understand nesting structure. So this indentation helps identify errors such as missing closing tag or incorrect nesting. Alright, so debugging, which involves identifying and correcting errors, will be covered in the future lessons. However, the nesting and indentation concepts learned in this lesson will be helpful in diagnosing and fixing code errors. So in the next exciting episode, we will delve into the world of anchor elements and discover how to craft hyperlinks that connect our web pages. So join me in the next adventure as we unlock the power of hyperlinks and enhance our web creations. Guys, for all of that and more, see you in the next episode.